Thanksgiving, people, so don't make that dry turkey that you make every single year. I'm Chef Tristan, and today we're making a stuffed turkey leg. That's right, stuffed with crawfish and shrimp étouffée, Louisiana style. And I might just make a jerk turkey leg as well. So check this out. Get all your ingredients out. You got your scotch bonnet peppers and herbs. You got your smoked turkey leg. You got your raw turkey leg. You got your Cajun seasoning, crawfish tail, sweet potatoes, herbs, and you got your shrimp. Let's go to work with this white truffle sauce, all right? So we're going to make this homemade jerk seasoning in a food processor and marinate that turkey leg up and throw it in the air fryer. We're going to get this étouffée popping, so we're going to sweat down those bell peppers and garlic and get your seafood broth popping with them shells. Add it to the pan with a little bit of Tony's, a little bit of Zatarain's, a little bit of Slap Your Mama. Sorry, Mama, you ain't see that. Throw your crawfish tails in there with a little bit of fresh shrimp and bring it to a simmer and make it look good. Come on now. We treating ourselves. We ain't cheating ourselves this Thanksgiving. Look at this turkey leg, smoked turkey leg with the étouffée with a jerk turkey leg as well. Come on now. Bon appetit. Come on.